My opponent he has played 20,000 game on the tie jam. And this time I'm gonna handle white. Okay. No AI. I can play 10 steps quickly. Okay. Get in 3-3. Oh. He even know all the joseki that I don't know. This is 20-minute game. And 20 seconds Boyomi 3 times. Last game was so hard, so I spent for a long time. How is this game? Will he Tenuki or continue? Oh, strategy here. Okay. If his strategy here seems, this push seems really good too. I cannot give up here. Instead of just going to other place, this push seems vital point. And then I can cut. Oh, is it possible for black? Okay, so what if I stretch? Strategy, then he will play knight move. That seems too much. I just need to prepare. Jump. Trade again. Trade. Trade again and jump here. It seems a good move. Wait him to jump here. Oh, here. Okay. Fine. Press. Oh, vital point. Can you? They never wait. Just keep playing on. Vital point. Then of course I have to punish. If you are not willing to catch up the timing, then I need to get the bad exchange. Hana is also working. What if I play here? Oh, will he wedge here? It seems making sense. Okay, then just wait. Wait for the chance. Wait for the chance. Happy to get the upper side. Seems my last opponent was harder than this opponent. He's playing quite well, but just now my last opponent bothered me a lot. And I like it. He played quite quickly, fast. Okay, accept or the bad exchange. Wow. Caught like this, really? Then I'm gonna show you how I have to punish bad shape. Can you even think 1 second, please? You really don't want to think 1 second, even 1 second. Okay, I answered everything. Fine, you can take it. And then big place. This is your favorite joseki. You like to just answer by stretch here. Oh, resign? Really? Wow, so cool. How many minutes did I spend? I love it. It finished so fast just now. Simple review. This joseki was okay, and this one I'm not sure. After he put here, this push is so good. If he stretched, even night move is gonna be good. I think maybe he thought he's so much behind. If he plays here and this way, normally we have to play at 4 in this, I mean the Hengma logic, not about this joseki. I'm not sure whether this was better when he just captured, because I can go back to Hane here. Saving here is no problem, but it doesn't mean he can just keep respawn here, because if I stretch here, the black's life and death is black is gonna lose this capturing race. So most of the time in this situation, we used some special move. Black plays this Atari and black here for take care of this life and death. And if white block here, connecting is a bad idea. White can just keep hold of the good shape. Black need to Hane here and press this white group. And then when white just captures, then black can capture this again. And then we play something like this. This was what we were playing. That was okay, but I think in the actual game, he gave me this jump here, and he bit my vital point too fast. Yeah, it was too much. It seems Tetsuji, but you know, between Tetsuji and overplay is like, if Tetsuji is used to wrong timing, then that will be overplay. If Tetsuji is on time, then that's called the Tetsuji. That means it was too fast. I can say that timing is important for using the Tetsuji. So I was keep getting the upper side naturally, and when you want to break the upper side, and I switch to the right hand side again. And he was keep using all the sente, but just I'm accepting everything. Yeah, he break here, but I've got the corner and the right hand side, so nothing is wrong. And the last move he tried to cut, but I cannot set up the net right now. In case I just set up, he can just escape like this. Yeah, I cannot capture, but I can prepare. Yeah, whether you want to give me 1 stone or 3 stones. So now we will just keep switching. Yeah, even I can consider to connect here. Actually, it's working as well. It's no problem. Just I was already happy to capture his 3 stones, and then when I invade here, yeah, he just resigned. Oh yeah, but white is leading enough. Yeah, if he cannot set up the territory at the lower side.